Christmas is fast approaching. It's time to give those holiday cards once again. Let me show you how to make one in this video. Hello and welcome to my e-class in Bites. I'm Elena, and on this channel I make videos about education, technology, and content creation. Giving away holiday cards is one of those activities we do during Christmas. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to make a personalized holiday card using CANVA. Let's go straight to the demo. First, you need to sign in to your CANVA account. If you don't have one, sign up first and create an account. It's also better to have a pro account so you can access some of its advanced features. After signing in, just type Christmas card in the search bar. Wait for the search results to appear. As you can see, CANVA has many available templates to choose from. You don't need to be a professional graphic artist to make creative designs. Scroll through various designs available and just choose what you like to use. Click the design template you choose. Wait for it to be uploaded for editing. I have also pre-uploaded our family photo that I would like to use for this holiday card. Move some of the objects like this wreath so you can access and delete the default photo on the template. After deleting the photo, you can now drag and drop the one that you have uploaded to use. Just make some adjustments if necessary. Return the wreath to its original position. Adjust its size if necessary. You can also change the default font style and size on this template, and also edit the text or message on the card. You can edit the background color, font colors, and add some images on this template if you wish to. But for now, I won't do so because I already love the simplicity of this holiday card. Once you are finished, you can print copies of your holiday card directly from CANVA, or just download the image as PNG or JPEG file so you can share it on your social media accounts. That's how easy it is to create your personalized holiday card in CANVA. And from my family to yours, let me greet you an advance Merry Christmas. Are you giving holiday cards this season? Comment your answer below. I will also very much appreciate the like and share on this video. And please do subscribe and click the bell to be notified of my future videos. You can watch my other videos here. Stay safe!